YIT's strengths in industrial construction include a good understanding of customer needs. We have a wide network of local experts. We have offices in over 15 of the largest cities in Finland. We always utilize local expertise in our industrial project along with industrial construction know-how. As the biggest construction company in Finland, we have extensive expertise ranging from civil engineering construction to demanding commercial construction.
For our construction projects, Prysmian seeks partners who are not only cost competitive and reliable in delivering the required quality, but most importantly, who can meet challenging deadlines. The construction of our unique 185-meter cable tower further emphasizes the need for a partner with a proven track record in managing complex projects of this nature. The shortlist of a potential supplier was indeed very limited, and YIT stood out.
We are now talking about the tallest building in Finland, so it's clear that the project has been extremely demanding. The tower itself has been constructed by slip casting. There are 23 floors in the building and different work phases are progressing in the tower at the same time in different phases. The successful coordinating of construction, building services and process installation has been the key success to this project.
The new 240 million euro investment underscores its strategic importance as our center of excellence for producing cutting-edge high-voltage cables for both land and submarine interconnections, including onshore and offshore wind farms.
The work under the original contract will be completed about 6 months ahead of schedule. Currently, we are doing additional work at the client's request beyond the original scope, but we will also complete these well in advance before the original target and the start of customers' production.
YIT has brought significant value to the project through their stronger expertise in construction and their well-developed methodologies. Their approach to scheduling, in particular, stands out as a highly professional and effective. Working with YIT, we always felt that every issue or deviation was handled with a clear path towards resolution. Even with the robust project structure and solid methodology that YIT has in place for massive projects, it would have been impossible to meet the timelines and stay within budget without the right people in the right positions. I would definitely recommend YIT for industrial construction projects. A clear example of this is that we entrusted YIT with an additional project, a 30,000 square meter building extension, on top of the cable tower project.